Hi and welcome to Mataba TV. I am Makabongwe Mataba. The theft of a trailer in Verulam CBD KZN. Seen in the video is a trailer being stolen from Wick Street in Verulam CBD KZN. The trailer was parked outside the business premises at approximately 12 p.m. yesterday, which was Sunday. The driver of a white Isuzu Baki hit the trailer and drove off. Thank you so much for watching. If our content interests you, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story.